Hey, what's up? So in this video, I'm gonna be talking to you about how I make $50,000 a month consistently with my AI automation and web development agency on Upwork. And for context, I only get clients on Upwork. This is my main acquisition method, and I've been very, very consistent in doing this. And for context, I have about a 96% profit margin on the money I spend on Upwork to how much money I make. So it's going pretty well. And for context, all I talk about on this YouTube channel is Upwork. This is what I'm passionate about. But what does it take to run a 50K per month agency for AI on Upwork? Well, I would say it starts with having a good profile. So if we head over to my Upwork profile, and by the way, this is all public, you can just go and look at my profile completely for free and verify everything that I'm saying. Yeah, you can see what a good profile looks like by just looking at my profile. And this is the profile that makes 50K a month. And let me actually just prove that I made 55K per month last month. We can head over to transactions like I did right here and then go to last month. And look, I could obviously flex and say, hey, I made 60K by just changing some of these numbers. I could say, for example, this month, we've already made we're 10 days into the month and we've made 6.4, but that's actually not true, I think, if I'm not mistaken. I think it's actually a little bit more than that because I'm pretty sure I've withdrew more than that. Anyway, who cares? I'm just keeping it real on this YouTube channel and showing you what's actually happening. But like I said, Upwork profile. If you want to land clients for AI automation and web development, this is the type of profile that I have, and it's been working well for me and my students. So for me, I just say I'm the #1 ranked AI specialist. This is completely made up. On Upwork MRR, I rank #1 for NAN and automation. Maybe my editing team can throw that up on the screen. But ultimately, that's what I've put. I say AI automation and web development, and this is my description. And you know what's funny? People watch my YouTube channel and people always ask me, Ryan, how do you make your profile amazing? Wow, oh my God, this amazing description. I'll be so real with you. If you were to put a gun to my head and say, Ryan, does the profile description matter? I would honestly probably say no. The first 2 lines might mean something, but does the rest of this shit really matter? Do most of their clients really even actually watch and look at this stuff? Probably not. And the way I can tell you this, and how I can factually explain this, is if you click on this, this is my video, and this video has 566 views over 6 months. And then if you come and look at my stats on my Upwork profile, you can see that this year I've had 17,000 profile views. So 500 versus 17,000. A very small percentage of those people are actually even watching the video that's on my profile that literally explains who I am. And the video literally says, click me or click here, so you can see that I think that most clients on Upwork are just glancing at your profile. So at a glance, you need to make it look good, which is a good way to think about it. However, one thing that I do think that makes my Upwork profile stand out is this portfolio section. I've really branded this, and to be honest, you'll see this a lot now, and I'm not bragging, but nobody was doing this shit before I did it. 6 months ago, 8 months ago, nobody had this stuff. As soon as I started doing this in AI automation, everybody copied me. That's why you also see loads of people with purple circles around their face. And you can tell that they watch my YouTube channel. But if you were to compare my profile with loads of other people's, you'll see that now lots of people are branding their profiles, and it works. It looks pretty. I personally put looms on mine. That works well for me. The reason that I do this, if you're wondering, is from my perception, I just think if someone was to watch one of these looms, they're gonna be probably pretty bought in. They can see I'm a cool guy, normal person, and a personable person that is client facing and they could actually work with long term. And it's gonna make it easier for them to work with me and my agency. Another important aspect is I've never had a bad review. And for context, I'm I would say still very non-technical person. I didn't go to school for coding. I don't really even know how to code. I do know how to do web development and AI automation, but still to this day, never had a bad review. And that's even on some projects that are over $160,000. So in one project, by the way, for example, this one here, we've currently collected 77 and we've got about 80K left on that. And big enterprise deals like this usually are hard to complete and hard to get 5-star reviews, but we still don't have any negative reviews on the profile because I focus on client success. My reputation is so important to me. I want to be known as somebody that looks after people and does a good job. And I really care about that shit. What's another thing that matters, I guess? Testimonials. These are free. Anybody can get these on their profiles. If you want to make money on Upwork and you haven't got testimonials, then you're just there's no reason for you to not do it. You might as well just put some on there. And you can get these by basically clicking here on the plus button, business email address, client LinkedIn profile. So just get somebody who has a LinkedIn profile to give you a review, and Upwork will send them an email, and then they need to write you a review. And then in about 8 to 10 days, it will show up on your profile. And if it doesn't, you can scroll right up to the top, click this little question mark and reach out to their support, and they'll usually push it through. Say, I would like to open a support ticket, because otherwise you'll just end up speaking to the chat bot. I went through this with a few of my students recently. Now, another thing that's interesting is, even though I make 50K per month as an agency on Upwork, my agency account is not something that I really focus on. This is purely there for things like, adding team members onto my Upwork and so on. And to be honest, I actually use some additional softwares and an API key to do some of the messaging and some other things and reporting on my profile because I have a good profile and I'm allowed to do that. They don't really approve everybody to do that, but I managed to get approval. But yeah, focus on one profile. One thing I've noticed is there's a lot of people that they love to think about the idea of having I'm gonna have 5 Upwork profiles. Why? It's so pointless. There's no need. The #1 guy on Upwork right now has over $15 million earned on one profile. All of the deals funnel to that one profile. And because of that, he's always gonna be the best. He's always gonna have the best profile, right? And he's always gonna land big clients. So realistically speaking, don't have multiple accounts. Just have one really good account that you've worked on. Now, in terms of the profile, I would say that's kind of the meat and potatoes of it. You have a good profile picture, good title and description, good video introduction, good portfolio. And if you wanna see a full video of me really breaking down exactly what you need to do with your profile, in depth, almost like a course for free, my editors will put somewhat on the screen the video of my checklist video that you should definitely go and check out if you haven't already. But how do you actually get clients on Upwork? Now, one thing that I do very different, and I guarantee that you have never seen this before. I've never sent a proposal in 2026. I don't send proposals. And the reason I don't need to is because my inbound strategy works really well. I get a lot of leads in organically, right? And for example, this month, I really wasn't boosting for the last 7 days. And I think I'm boosting right now because I just recorded one of those tracking courses and I actually turned on the boost for a split second. And you can see I'm not boosting because I've not got that many connects left. But basically, I'm getting very inbound leads. A lot of these leads here, if I was to show you 6 leads, these are completely organic, right? I'm not paying for these, I'm not even spending connects to get this. And again, if you look at my views, we're getting a lot of views and stuff like that through organic, but also through boosting, which is basically paid ads, but for your Upwork profile. And look, most people get their clients from proposals, and I'm not unopposed to that. And I, over time, will become the expert on proposals as well and start spending a shitload of money so I can show you what's the best things to do. And I'll do that at the courtesy to show you on this YouTube channel because I care about you guys. But realistically speaking, right now, what's working for me is boosting. So if you make a lot of money outside of Upwork, or you're a successful developer or AI automation specialist, I would urge you to maybe boost your profile once you've kind of got it dialed in. That's gonna lead you to get some inbound leads and it's gonna do pretty well. And definitely send proposals. Try and send 10 a day. Try and aim for a 40 to 50% proposal to view ratio, 30% view to invite ratio, and a 25% interview to hire ratio would be pretty good as well. But I have a full tracking course on my YouTube channel if you want to check that out and get the real numbers and a full sheet on how to do that as well. Because I'm promoting many videos here, but there's so many videos that are so detailed on every single topic of Upwork that I've made now, hundreds of videos. And yeah, you'll get value more out of those videos. This video is more just for me to chill, talk about how I'm making 50K and just be honest about what it takes. In terms of time, it doesn't really take me that much time to run this. Right now, I have somebody taking all of the sales calls and doing all of the messaging on my Upwork. And I'm probably spending a few hours a day, maximum maybe 2 to 3 hours a day. I'm still taking some of the sales calls on the bigger deals. And I would say I'm also spending some time kind of closing out some existing deals. Because right now we have about 450K total deals in the last 6 months. So I'm just kind of trying to finish some of those and then upsell them. But yeah, that's it. That's what it takes. 10 proposals a day, boost your profile, have a good profile, and yeah, that's it. Obviously, I'm making it a bit nonchalant and it's definitely more complicated than that, but that's why we have this YouTube channel. That's why we also have the mentorship where we just do it for you. But yeah, you can do this. And if you look in my comment section, especially on some of my most recent videos, people are getting results just by watching this YouTube channel. And you know, obviously, if you want more one-to-one help, you can click the link in the description, but you could do this on your own and you can just watch the YouTube channel and get results too. But anyway, this is what it takes to make 50K per month with an AI automation and web development specialist profile on Upwork. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already subscribed, please do, and I'll see you in the next video.